Welcome, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we've got something special for you. We're about to embark on a journey that will transform your body using no equipment at all. Be it at home, in the park, or in a small space, we've got you covered with 5 incredible bodyweight exercises, suitable for both beginners and advanced fitness lovers. So, are you ready? Let's dive in and start our journey towards a stronger, healthier you. First up is the classic plank. This isn't just an ab workout, it's a full-body stabilizer. Imagine yourself as a board of wood, straight and unbending. That's what we're aiming for here. So how do we get into this plank position? Start by getting into a push-up stance, but instead of supporting yourself with your hands, you'll be resting on your forearms. Your elbows should be directly beneath your shoulders. Now, extend your legs behind you, balancing on the balls of your feet. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your head, all the way to your heels. Now comes the crucial part. Holding the position, you'll want to keep your core engaged, as if you're bracing for a punch, but remember to breathe, don't hold your breath. Aim to hold this position for anywhere between 30 seconds to a minute. If you're a beginner, it's okay to start with shorter durations. The key is consistency and gradual progression. As you hold your plank, be mindful of your body. Ensure your hips aren't sagging down or piking up. Your body should stay as straight as that board of wood we talked about earlier. It's not about how long you can hold the plank, but how well you can hold it. Remember, the plank targets your core, shoulders, and back, making it a fantastic starting point. So, let's start our journey to fitness right with the classic plank. Moving on to squats, a powerful exercise for your lower body. Squats are a quintessential, no equipment needed workout that effectively targets your thighs, hips, and glutes. They're straightforward yet full of benefits, from strengthening your legs to improving your balance. Let's start by getting into position. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Your toes should be pointing forwards or slightly outwards. Pull in your abs and extend your arms out in front of you for balance. Next, imagine you're about to sit down in a chair. Bend your knees and push your hips and butt back as you lower your body. Keep your chest up and your gaze straight ahead. Remember, it's crucial to keep your knees behind your toes to prevent strain or injury. Now, let's rise back up. Push through your heels and straighten your legs to return to a standing position. That's one squat completed. Beginners, aim for 15 repetitions or reps, and work your way up as you get stronger. If you're more advanced, try adding jumps or weights for an extra challenge. Remember to breathe. Inhale as you lower, exhale as you rise. This rhythm will help you maintain your energy and focus throughout your sets. So let's get moving. Do 3 sets of 15 reps each. Take a short break between each set, but don't let your muscles cool down too much. And there you have it. Squats, the powerhouse of lower body workouts. Do 3 sets of 15 reps each. Feel the burn in your thighs and glutes. Push-ups are great for upper body strength. This tried and true exercise is a staple in many workout routines, and for good reason. It's an equipment-free exercise that packs a punch, targeting your chest, arms, and even your core. So, let's get started. Begin in a plank position. Your hands should be planted firmly on the ground, shoulder-width apart. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. This is your starting point. Now, lower your body towards the ground. Keep your elbows close to your body as you do so, and make sure to maintain that straight line with your body. You should continue lowering until your chest is almost touching the floor. Next, it's time to push back up. Use your arms to lift your body back into the starting position. Try to keep your movements smooth and controlled. This isn't about speed, it's about strength and form. And there you have it. That's one push-up. But don't stop there. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. If you find this too challenging, don't worry. You can always start with your knees on the ground and work your way up as you build strength. Remember, push-ups are excellent for your chest, arms, and core. By incorporating them into your regular workout routine, you're taking a significant step towards a stronger, fitter you. So keep pushing, and you'll see the results in no time. For a shredded midsection, try bicycle crunches. This exercise is not just a great ab workout, but it's also a fun way to mix up your routine. So how do we do it? Let's break it down. First, start by lying flat on your back. Place your hands gently behind your head, careful not to pull on your neck. Now, bring your knees towards your chest and lift your shoulder blades off the ground. This is your starting position. Next, it's time to get moving. Rotate your torso to bring your right elbow towards your left knee. As you do this, straighten your right leg out in front of you. Imagine you're pedaling a bicycle, hence the name. Then, switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while extending your left leg. Remember to keep your core engaged throughout, and make sure to breathe. Exhale as you twist. Inhale as you return to the center. This helps keep your movements controlled and maximizes the effectiveness of the exercise. As with any exercise, form is crucial. Keep your movements slow and controlled. Rapid, jerky movements won't give you the results you're after. Instead, focus on the quality of each rep, not the quantity. Lastly, aim for 3 sets of 20 reps. That's 1 rep every time you bring your elbow to the opposite knee. Bicycle crunches are perfect for targeting all areas of your abs, from the upper abs to the lower abs, and even the obliques. So there you have it. An effective, equipment-free way to carve out a stronger, tighter core. Do 3 sets of 20 reps. This exercise is perfect for targeting all areas of your abs. Lastly, we have burpees, a total body exercise. This exercise is a dynamic powerhouse that will push your fitness to the next level. With burpees, we're not just targeting 1 or 2 muscle groups, we're hitting every major muscle in your body, making it a true full-body workout. So, let's get into it. To begin a burpee, you're going to start standing upright. Now, drop down into a squat, bending at the knees and pushing your hips back as if you're about to take a seat. As you lower yourself, reach forward and place your hands on the ground in front of you. Next, kick your feet back in one swift motion, landing in a plank position. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Don't let your hips sag or your butt stick up. Keep that core tight. Now jump your feet back in towards your hands, returning to that squat position. And here comes the fun part. Explode upwards, leaping into the air with your hands reaching for the sky. As you land, make sure to bend your knees to absorb the impact, and immediately move into your next rep. Aim for 3 sets of 10. That's right, just 10 reps, but trust me, they will challenge you. This is a high-intensity exercise that boosts endurance and burns calories. So if you're short on time but still want a killer workout, burpees are your best friend. You've done it! These 5 exercises are a powerhouse for transforming your body without any equipment. From the core-strengthening plank to the full-on cardio blast of burpees, we've covered a spectrum of movements that target every major muscle group. Squats to tone your lower body, push-ups for upper body strength, and bicycle crunches to carve out those abs. Each exercise is designed to be done anywhere, anytime, making it perfect for those with busy schedules or limited space. The beauty of these workouts lies in their simplicity, but don't let that fool you. They're challenging, effective, and guaranteed to get your heart pumping. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's about consistency, so keep at it. The key to seeing real, lasting change is to make these exercises a regular part of your routine. Try to incorporate these exercises into your routine 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Turn input into an engaging script with human-sounding voiceover. Now that you're armed with these 5 powerful, equipment-free workouts, it's your turn to take action. Remember, transformation begins with a single step. So, why not start today? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Make the background music intro, upbeat background music. Outro, background music softens and very inspiring and relaxing.